Hey there, come mateys. Come mateys. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, today's video I will be showing you my action camera setup. Um, I'll be mounting it to my helmet because recently I just bought a chin mount. It's from ridetech. It's made in Canada. I had to wait for 5 weeks for this. I sent them an email telling them that I haven't received it yet because they said it's only 2 to 4 weeks, but it came. So the reason why I bought this, because this is a specific to my helmet, which is the AGV K3SV. You see, it's a bit pointy, so I bought a specific type chin mount. The reason why I also bought this mount, because this is, by the way, my old one. I kind of do like it because it's not permanent to your helmet, but the problem with this is that I don't like the way this is like that. It's not sleek. It's so if I put my helmet into a bag, helmet cover, this is sticking out, so it's not sleek, it's bulky, and it takes me a while to put this on, you know. Strap it in like that, and it's also not that really stable. It sometimes move on the side like that, so I had to put a type here so that it will just stay in its place. And also I didn't like the strap, because actually it's not the strap, it's the lock. It's not that strong, it gets loose. So what I did, the bottom strap, I changed it with a garter, yeah, so that it's pulling it, so it's it'll become a bit strong, holding onto the helmet. But then I've had enough of that, so let's go ahead and open this ridetech chin mount. So this will be the first time I'm opening it. So there you go. This is the chin mount. See, it's slick, it's flat. It's got the 3M type, and that's what it see. It's pointy so that it will match to my helmet, and it comes with an alcohol prep to clean before put it on. Alright, so let's get to it. So there you go, kamatis. Kamatis. I was able to put it on, and it seems like not all of the 3M tape on the side actually stick onto the helmet. So so there's a gap on the side, so maybe I'll buy a like a sort of blue and put some on the side, but on the top perfect, on the bottom not bad. Alright, so let's go ahead and put on the GoPro. So also I just bought a GoPro Hero 9 Black, and this is, by the way, this is the mount that you want, not the regular one. This is like a long type of adapter. See that? Kind of same with this one. Yeah, that's what you want. Let's put it back, and then we'll put it onto the helmet, on the chin mount, and there we go. Locked in, and let's rub it down, and like that. Like that. Perfect. See? It's way better than my old one. So slick. I think it's the slickest mount you can find at the moment. Before I bought this, I searched for a couple of sites that sells chin mount, and this is what I liked. See that? Perfect. Alright, there you have it, guys. That's my setup. GoPro 9 Black with the ridetech chin mount, AGV K3SB helmet with my MT-03. Thank you. Have a good day, mates. Bye.